Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you what is Shopify and how does it work. So let me explain you what is Shopify. Shopify is a website that connects small businesses to online e-commerce, just to worldwide. Shopify is a very powerful and ultimate e-commerce site that helps to build a successful business in global market. How does it work? It works with the other businesses and connecting together, and it's sell the products like Etsy. So let us make an account in Shopify. So to make an account, you have to just go to shopify.com. It's simple, and you have to enter your email. To make an account, you will require 20 rupee in USA or in other countries. $1 is required or 20 cents will be required for making an account, and you will charge like every month $1 or 20 cents or here in the 20 rupees and 3 days trial. Let us do. I am writing my Gmail. We start 3 days trial. Let us go to create a store. I am just starting. I am a new. Do next. Where would you like to sell? An online store, and person, social media, registering blog, online places. No, I like tick all. I'm not sure. Also, not sure. Do next. Which social account do you want to sell? Like to Instagram, main TikTok. Well, yeah, let's do Shopify inbox also, Pinterest also, and Facebook also. Do next. Which online places do you want to sell on? Etsy. We are selling Etsy only. Uh, what do you plan to sell first? The product I buy or my self digital products or a service. They can do next. We can edit all things when we have make an account. Let us do. I'm redirecting with my Google account. Do next. Validating our account. Let us wait.
Oh, sorry. All right.
As we can see, our account is made, and like our trial just started. It will end on 5 June. Okay, just we can select the plan also for 20 rupees. That's it. We select basic, advanced, and this plan for you have to pay for first 3 months. First is Shopify transaction fee. You can see duties 10,000 location. You can pay whenever you want to pay, like choose in advance. We can choose that and pay like monthly. Then it will be okay. Just we can do like free 5 June. Like you have to charge 20 rupees. Then on 3rd September you will be charged 30,000 rupees, or you can take a yearly plan of 2,72,000 plan on ongoing. Just see, let us see Shopify. Here our account is made, and we can add our first product. To add first product, click on add first product. Here we can add a first product. We can just we can t-shirt design. Let us add our store to a t-shirt and do t-shirt design status active. We can write it is in a sample. We can add to media the files. We can add a file. Just we can add like this t-shirt design. Cost, compare at, like we can cost as per like 39 rupees and compare at 50 rupees or 500 rupees. Charge tax on your product. Per cost it is 0. Profit 100% margin. Then track quantity, no no physical product, it's a digital product. Customer would not enter a digital product store. Okay, sell a digital product. Yes, shipping another page. You can see this. You can just we have added our here media option. We can add here variant, add options like size and color. Let us do the digital product do not require. Here is our search engine listing. We can just save. Product created. We can just browse appointment and booking apps. App services. Here is product either is activated. You can delete the product or you can see. Let us see our collections. Here is our product came that we have made. Like you can do go to home page. You can see this is active listing our. Now you can book let's book you can book here the apps. You can just search. So if you find this video helpful, then please like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.